Coming up on 9:05, the trial for the man charged in a complicated upstate murder case is now underway. Fox Carolina was the first to alert you to the many twists and turns in the killing on Canebrake. It all started on October 13th of 2021 when Christina Parcell was found stabbed to death on the living room floor of her home in Greer on Canebrake Drive. She was stabbed more than 30 times. The next month, this man, Zachary Hughes, was arrested and charged with her murder. His trial was set to begin last month, but it was postponed because there weren't enough qualified jurors. Well, Hughes is the only person who's been charged in Parcell's murder, but 2 other arrests were made in the wake of her death. Fox Carolina obtained a court filing in September of 2022. That motion revealed that Hughes was close friends with John Mello. Well, Mello shared a child with Parcell, and the two were involved in a very contentious custody battle. Investigators would later charge Hughes and Mello with harassing Parcell in the months leading up to her death, but Mello is not charged with her murder. And there was yet another arrest after Parcell was killed. While investigating, deputies made a disturbing discovery. Parcell's fiance, Bradley Post, was charged with multiple counts of sexual exploitation of a minor. Investigators say that he both possessed and made child sexual abuse material. And court records accuse Parcell of participating as well. However, she was never charged nor convicted.
Well, after last month's delay, the trial finally began. A jury is now seated and opening statements are set for today. Yesterday, the judge heard important pretrial motions. Well, the motion being considered right now is over Bradley Post, Christina Parcell's fiance. The state wants to call him as a witness, but they don't want the defense to bring up the criminal charges he's facing. Investigators found evidence of several crimes, all related to child sexual abuse material, on Post's devices in the home where Parcell was killed. The state says even though that evidence was found at the scene, it's not related to the murder.
Your Honor, at the end of the day, going into his particular crime would serve this jury absolutely no purpose as to whether Zach Hughes committed this crime or not.
The state says the defense has also made unsubstantiated claims that Parcell was involved in making some of the child sexual abuse material. The defense addressed this first, saying they have the proof.
Over and over again, when the state alleges that it's wholly unsubstantiated, we just have to address that, Your Honor. It is highly substantiated. We have evidence to show that.
The defense says they want the judge to allow them to call Post for questioning outside of the view of the jury. Then the judge can make his ruling based on what he hears. We don't know if that's going to happen, but we do know that right now the judge is considering both sides. Court resumes actually any minute now. They might even have already resumed, and those opening statements, they are expected in a little bit later.